How to add a background image to a PowerPoint slide. So if you want to add a background image to a PowerPoint slide, then first you need to open up your PowerPoint. Once you open up your PowerPoint, now you just need to simply go with your presentation. So I'll be choosing a random presentation. Once you open up your presentation, now you just need to simply go with insert, which is on the upper left, and go with pictures. And you can go with the device pictures or stock images or online pictures. So I'll be choosing online pictures and simply choose any picture. So for example, I'll be choosing animals. Tap on it and then choose the animal picture that you would like to add as a background. I'll be choosing the first one. Go with insert. You can simply go with scale and you can enlarge the scale. Once you've enlarged, now what you can do is just right click on it and then you will have an option of send to back. Click on it and that's it. That's how you can add a background image to a PowerPoint slide. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.